Welcome to our informative channel, Boost Your Knowledge, where knowledge meets entertainment. Are you curious about the world around you? Do you have a thirst for learning and understanding? Look no further. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with engaging and educational content that will both stimulate your mind and entertain your senses. Through our meticulously researched and well-presented videos, we aim to bring you a diverse range of topics that cover everything from science and technology to history, culture, and current events. Our team of passionate experts is committed to delivering accurate, up-to-date information in an accessible and enjoyable manner. Get ready to embark on a journey of discovery as we explore the wonders of the universe, unravel the mysteries of ancient civilizations, and delve into the cutting-edge breakthroughs of modern science. We believe that learning should be a delightful experience, and that's why we use engaging visuals, captivating animations, and lively narration to make complex ideas easily understandable and memorable. Beyond merely presenting facts, we encourage critical thinking and a deeper understanding of the world. Our goal is to foster curiosity and intellectual growth in our viewers, empowering them to become informed global citizens. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone with an insatiable appetite for knowledge, our channel is the perfect destination for you. Join our ever-growing community of learners and thinkers as we embark on an exciting quest for wisdom and enlightenment. Remember to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss a moment of enlightenment. Get ready to expand your horizons with our captivating and enlightening videos. Welcome to the world of knowledge on our informative YouTube channel. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to enjoy latest information.